Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make this paper canoe. Hope you guys like the video. This is very easy, even easier than the traditional paper boat. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. So let's get started. So for this project you're gonna need an A4 size paper. Any rectangular sheet of paper is gonna work for this project as long as it is rectangular. So basically that's it. Let's get started. So first of all, take your sheet of paper and fold it in half horizontally. Next, what you're gonna do is open your paper and again fold it in quarter. Basically you're just gonna fold each of those halves in halves again, like this. Next, what you're gonna do is fold these corners diagonally the way I'm doing here. Next, just fold these both inwards. Like this. Next, what you're gonna do is fold this thing up completely and fold these corners diagonally. So once you open it, you should notice that it's gonna form a shape something like this. So basically what you're gonna do is just fold this thing inwards like this. This thing should be inwards. Let me show you for the other side as well. Just fold this thing inwards. Next, what you're gonna do is just open this thing up and push it in and close it up. So we are done with one side. Let's do it for the other one as well. We're gonna open it. Next, we're just gonna push it inwards and close it. Now, just close it up once again. So we are almost done with our boat, but it can't stand straight. So we're gonna just make the base. Fold this part like this on this side and also on this side. After that, what you're gonna do is just open it up and flatten this thing up. Like this. After doing this, you'll notice that in the corner there are these tabs which you're gonna just fold in like this. Also for this part. So guys, look, we are done with our boat. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. Bye.